In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Figma to Claude. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the Claude website. Once the page loads, sign in to your Claude account. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving on, since the settings and integrations options are only available from inside your account. If you use more than one account, it's also a good idea to quickly confirm that you're signed into the correct one, especially if you want this connection to apply to a specific workspace or setup. After you're inside Claude, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click it. This opens the menu where you can access account-related options and customization settings. If the menu doesn't appear right away, just click once more carefully and wait a moment for it to open. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to the area where Claude lets you manage preferences, account options, and available integrations. Once you're in the settings screen, look through the menu until you find the Connectors tab, then click on it. The Connectors section is where Claude lists services and tools that can be linked to your account so they can work together more smoothly. Inside the Connectors tab, you'll see a list of available integrations. Take a moment to scan the list until you find Figma. When you locate it, click the Connect button next to Figma. This starts the connection process between Claude and your Figma account. At this point, follow any on-screen prompts that appear to complete the connection. Depending on your setup, you may need to review permissions or confirm access before the integration is finalized. It's worth reading these prompts carefully so you understand what access is being granted and how the connector will function. Once the process is complete, Figma should show as connected inside Claude. That's how to connect Figma to Claude using Chrome. If you're following along while setting this up yourself, move slowly through each screen and make sure each click takes you to the right place before continuing. This helps avoid confusion and makes the setup process much smoother.